So this is our meatballs, and they're cooked without frying them first, so they're really tender. And this is one of our favorite appetizers. So we're going to tell you how we did it.
The center of the stone is at 400 degrees. The oven has been on the low setting for about 4 minutes. And what we're doing is we're reheating some meatballs that we've already cooked. And now we're getting ready to serve them. So we're warming them up in the Ooni Koda 16.
To that function. Okay.
Okay, it's been about a minute. And we decided to turn them.
So at this time, it's been about 12.5 minutes.
I'm thinking we're pretty good because
Yeah,
we're going to get some...
I think maybe it's a good time to put the cheese on.
Okay, so let's...
Okay.
Okay, so it's been 14 minutes and we're now going to put the cheese on.
Mm-hmm.
And the center of the stone is around 480.
Oh, maybe I should have got more cheese, huh? Is that good enough?
Don't you have another bowl?
Well, I have more cheese, but I didn't put it in the bowl.
Oh, I think this will be good. Eh?
Okay. And,
all right.
And I have a little parmesan too.
You're going to put that on? Okay.
Mm-hmm. I love parmesan. Okay.
Okay. So this we got to keep an eagle eye on.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
Okay, that's after about, what, 2 minutes? Do you want to go a little bit longer?
No, I think that's good enough. Sometimes I have to let Bill have it the way he likes it.
Okay. And if you want to...
So while the oven's nice and hot, we're gonna
Okay, if you'll put the standoff underneath the
Okay.
oven, then we can bring the.
So we're going to make some baguette slices, sliced baguettes, seasoned with a little olive oil, or brushed with a little olive oil. I love cooking in the Ooni because everything cooks so fast. It's so hot.
Meatball and.
Yeah, then you could just taste right out of the dish if you want.
All right, tasting time.
Oh, look.
Look at that.
A little extra sauce.
Generally, when we're dining out at an Italian-style restaurant, if they have meatballs on the menu, we'll do an order just to taste them. And there's a restaurant in San Carlos, California called Pazzo's, which is one of our favorite stops. And they have really good meatballs. And then there's another good Italian restaurant down in Mountain View that also has some very nice meatballs as well. So we're going to see how these go. Here, I'm just going to dip right in here.
I guess I will too.
Mmm. That sauce is really good.
Mmm. Delicious. So I'd say that to take from reheating was about 15 minutes, with including the melted cheese.
Right, right. And what I really like about these meatballs is instead of browning them in a skillet or in a pan, they're basically prepared in the oven in the sauce, and so it's there. You know, there's no like hard spots or anything. These are very tender. Mmm.
Delicious.
Delicious. If we do say so ourselves, huh? Okay, well, on that note, thank you for stopping in at 12th Avenue Cuisine. We really appreciate you dropping by. And until next time.
Next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.